Energized, energetic with lot of positive vibes. Be energetic always. How are you? Fantastic, excellent, superb. You must be. Today again, we'll have a new career opportunity, and this is in demand. General work, but it is now it is being opted by many because demand is there. Welcome to my channel at the rate Pratap Harichandran in the bracket the 6th Sense PH. This channel is for students and individuals to find their best career options to live a purposeful and joyful life. You have to make a dent on this earth. If you have come to this earth, you are a soul. You want to do something so that it becomes a beautiful and but better place to live. So वो जो opportunity है वो क्या है? Today's opportunity is career opportunities in law sector, law professionals, legal professionals. So why these professionals are in demand? There are various sectors where they work actually. You may not be knowing. I was also astonished first time when I made these contents. So in which sectors they are in demand? Let's go one by one. First is corporate law, because there is a very big corporations, organizations. Why they required to handle the mergers, acquisitions, corporate governance, then IPR, intellectual property rights. So better legal professions are required to handle these things. As the organizations go on increasing, the complexity increases because their business transactions also increases. So legal professions are required here, and this is one of the most wanted and a paid job in corporate sector. If you are in a corporate law, if I want to go in corporate law sector, then it is intellectual property law, where legal professions handle the trademarks, copyrights, isn't it? Because if you are a brand, somebody may copy your brand. That's why the legal professions required there. Then it is civil law and data privacy. The online transactions are increased hell amount of time, and UPI, it is being used many Indians, crores of Indians, and it's also going abroad. Other countries are also going to implement UPI. Already, some countries have already implemented UPI, and due to these online transactions, a lot of frauds is happening. People are losing money. You might have heard many times. People are losing a lot of money. So these legal professionals are required to handle this data privacy and civil law. Environmental law. Why this is required? Now it is very essential for an organization to handle the pollution, then sustainable development, CSR activities, isn't it? Then it is your tax laws. Tax are becoming complex day by day. So these legal professions handle the tax liabilities, compliances, because it's becoming complex for the organizations to handle complex tax structure of any country. Now it is real estate law, where the government has changed all the real sector laws. So people are required, professionals are required to handle the real estate organizations. Banking and finance, very favorable one. In every bank, there is a legal officer to handle which things? Transactions. If there is a dispute in loans, transactions, loans, then it is your services. Last, it is international law, where the legal professionals handle the international transactions, that is cross-border rules, international trade, foreign investments. So these are some of the sectors where the law graduates or postgraduates are in demand. In India also it is increasing. That's why there is entrance examinations for the government universities to study LLB or LLM, national law universities. And there is one entrance exams if I want to do LLB or LLM. That entrance exam is called CLAT, Combined law admission test. The 12 pass students appear for the LLB one, and the graduates appear for the LLM one. And there is no string restrictions. If you are from the science stream also, you can go for LLB. Commerce, it is good. Arts also, it is good. But I would advise to do a integrated course, that is BBA LLB. This is very much in demand. You can get into corporate sector also. How you can find jobs in government sector? Yes, I forgot. This CLAT is a very competitive exam, entrance exam, because the success rate is 3%. How many students appear in India? As per 2020, 75,000. And the seats were 2,600. So by this time, it may be the seats might have increased to 30,500 maximum, and the students might have also increased. So that is a 3% success rate. But don't lose your heart. There are good private universities are there. So you can do BBA LLB or MBA LLB. Think of it. Then the job opportunities in government sector, where you can get into government sector, and this job is a respectable jobs. First, we can go. First, you can think of which sectors in government organization. It is IBPS, that is every bank has a legal officer. SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, there are legal officers. Many legal officers are there because a lot of disputes are going on. Judge, advocate, general. You can become a legal officer in defense, army. Legal officers in PSU, public sector units. Every public sector units, many legal officers are working. So there are disputes. Public prosecutors, you work with the government for any that dispute is there for any customer or any between two individuals. So you can become, where the individual not having any lawyer, you can become a government lawyer in those cases. You can become a professor, teaching professionals by appearing UGC NET exam. Judiciary systems in states, you can become a judge in judicial system in any state. Every state have their judicial system, judicial jobs. Last, I would say it is RBI Grade B legal officers. All are respectable jobs. So think of it. So if you are really interested to go for law, first you have to see whether you are really interested or not. That you can find out by appearing the AI assessment test. Is a very minimal cost. This ranges between 1,500 to 2,000 rupees. If you are really interested, contact me. I can provide you the link. You can appear for the test, assessment test. This is the first requirement. How can you know that where you are really interested? Again and again, every video I'm telling this. So what are the salary ranges? Salary ranges starts from 3 lakh to 7 lakhs. Mid-level, it is 8 to 15, 20 lakhs. Then senior level, it ranges from 15 to 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs. If you are in the corporate sector, good corporation, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs you can earn. And if you are working in a law firm, international law firm, those who handle the multinational, big multinationals, you can get a salary of crores, ranges up to crores. So these all about briefly about the law opportunities, law graduates opportunities, career in law. So first find out your passion, interest in law, then go for that. Anything that you need from me, please DM me, contact me so that I can help you out. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share. All the love, all the power. See you in the next video.